can you create an indirect cash flow statement in Phocas? What does this mean? It means we start with the profit, add back some non-cash items or items we wish to include elsewhere, and then derive our working capital movements, such as our movements in inventories, receivables, and payables. With our new Hide Groups feature, we can easily create an indirect cash flow, and I'm about to show you how. So under the star icon, we go to Statements, and we choose our cash flow. Remember, we can create more than one style of cash flow. You'll see here that I have stripped out my cash flow statement based on the accounts that I wish to use more than once. So any group of accounts you wish to use more than once, if you separate them in the statement, you can then hide your workings and display exactly what you wish. So I've isolated items like tax, interest, depreciation, and profit on sale of assets. Any item I do not wish to include more than once, I have bucketed into the all other profit items. I sum these groups up to get my net profit, and this will equal what's on my P&L. I then use the items that I wish to use more than once, such as depreciation expense, in calculations. So I start with my profit, I add back my adjusting items, which in this case is depreciation, interest, tax, and profit on the sale of assets. Then further down in the statement, I would expect to use each of these adjusting items to keep the cash flow balanced. And as we come down our list, you will see that I'm now including my balance sheet movements on tax, plus my P&L movement to bring them together. That's the formula here. Same with interest, my P&L plus my balance sheet movements. And then when it comes to my cash capex, I am using my balance sheet movements for capex, my P&L depreciation, and my P&L profit on sale of assets. The sum of all three in this case is giving me my net cash capex. I hope you enjoy the flexibility that this Hidden Rows feature gives you going forward. Thanks for listening.